Hi guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel, and today is the second day in Varanasi, so I'm leaving from here. So my host will drop me to the railway station. I have not booked any train, I have not booked any bus, so I don't know how I'll go. So he'll drop me to the railway station. I'll figure out to when to buy the ticket and all. So after reaching railway station, only I'll get to know when I'll be reaching Rostov, the next town which I'm going, which is around 570 kilometers from the place which I'm right now. Okay, I thought of hitchhiking, but there is not much smaller villages in between, so it would be very difficult if I don't get a full ride. So that's why I'm avoiding this stretch. So we'll do hitchhiking soon, and like, subscribe and share with you, and press bell icon also so that you'll get a notification. Why you have to subscribe? Because not only Russia, I'm going to Georgia, Armenia, Iran, Turkey, and Balkan countries like Montenegro, Hazariko, Moldova, Serbia, Ukraine, and from there I'll be flying to US, Central America, and South America. So this is going to a very long trip. A long means a year-long trip, which I'll be covering 50 countries in this trip. Daily videos, if I missed out any day while traveling, definitely you can expect video very next day itself. So like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon also so that you will get a notification, guys. So guys, I'm with my host, Mr. Alex. He hosted me for 2 days. It was a great stay with him, and lovely stay. He looked after a lot. Well, he fed me. It was a great stay, Mr. Alex. Thank you. And you want to say something?
My English is very bad.
It's okay. You can say.
I very like welcome you.
Okay, thank you.
Как my friend.
Yeah, thank you. You are also welcome for India anytime. If you're coming to India, let me know. Anywhere in India, I can help you. Okay? I can help you with whatever I can do. I will help you. No worries. Okay?
Okay. You visit India.
Yeah, you visit India. You just text me to the WhatsApp. I will help you.
Yes, WhatsApp, understand.
Okay, understand. No? Guys, this is Lars.
Yes.
This is Lars, and he is 13-year-old, and it's very cute. See, you can see. It's very cute, guys. दोस्तों देखो इसका नाम है लारस. देखो हमारा दोस्त है ये. दोस्त है. Voronezh, Rostov. It's not there.
Understand? It's okay.
Спасибо, до свидания.
Взаимно, знакомиться.
Anytime if you're coming to India, anywhere, let me know, please. It's my permanent WhatsApp number. Okay?
I send in Russia.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll do that. I'll take a selfie with you. Selfie. So guys, I am in front of the railway station. There is lot of bus. but none of them goes to Rostovo. It's all goes to Moscow. So that's what. So I'll figure out how to. I'll go to Rostovo from here. Something I'll get. No, that is what I'm doing right now. So he was a great guy. So he drove me till what you call. It's around 20 kilometers, guys, from his home. So it's 20 kilometers. He drove me from there to here. It was great. 2 days he paid me, stayed with me. I gave his Indian currency. System is good over here in railway station. For everyone who wants to enter, they need to go under the scan, and only then they can enter the railway station. There's no way. If you want to exit, you can exit from here. So if you are coming here in Russia, if you want to buy a ticket from the railway station, you need to wait, okay? So just wait, you have to take the token. This is the token, you can see here. And there is a machine everywhere, there is also a machine. You can see that is a machine. You have to take from there. There is English also. There will be British flag. So just press on that. So it will turn into English. So you can take a token and you have to wait till it displays in that this thing, TV. So until then you have to wait. It will display which counter you have to go. And then you have to go for that counter and buy a ticket. Okay guys, and buy a ticket. Карта.
Сегодня?
Good. Super.
Насколько?
Yes. Ты?
В 11:30?
Yeah.
До Ростова.
Rostovo.
Нету такого поезда в 11:30. Вам купе?
So guys, only 20 rubles. This is my breakfast and lunch. It's now 11 o'clock, so it will serve as a both. So guys, I reached platform number 5 now. So waiting for the train. It is 12:10. It said it will arrive at 12:14, but I think it's almost arrived. One train is coming over here. So guys, this is the train. What it is coming right now. See, so okay. So huge. See guys, it's a double tracker train. If you want to see her from outside seat now, and after reaching I can't see because it will be night, guys. Guys, I'm inside the train now.